We need masks in healthcare that we can rely on because we need to be able to rely on our workforce, and we need to provide them with the protection to do the job that they need to do. Whilst there's many N95 masks in the world, they're all compromised by their ability to seal and prevent leakage. These requirements have really driven us to look for a better product, and that's what's come out in the N95 Nimbus. One thing most people don't know is that surgical masks are only designed for a limited duration of wear. The N95 Nimbus, however, is made out of high quality features. It's made out of improved materials, woven polypropylene, that's been tested up to the NOSH standard to show that it's effective in providing respiratory protection. It's been further enhanced with this innovative circumferential silicone cushion. This cushion is the patented feature of the N95 mask, improves comfort and is designed to decrease leakage. The silicone, when you breathe in, sucks in around the face to stop air coming in. It's still designed with a nose bridge. However, this has been made with more malleable materials to decrease the stiffness. This has been further finished off with a high-end, easily tailorable tie feature with these toggle clips and not having to rely on elastic that can be rigid. This gives you improved wearability, greater protection in a way that hasn't been seen before out of a level 3 surgical mask. So far, the Nimbus has had great response. Feedback from healthcare professionals is that it's more comfortable, they feel it's more reliable, and they feel safer wearing it for longer. They believe the N95 Nimbus has lifted and created a new benchmark of quality. A mask that can be more comfortable, can be worn for longer, and has features that decrease the risk factors behind traditional masks that compromise the safety to our healthcare workers.